Hey there, food lovers! Have you ever noticed how certain dishes just warm you up from the inside out when the weather turns chilly? We're talking about those hearty, soul-satisfying meals that make you want to curl up by the fire. Today, we're going on a delicious adventure to explore some of the most mouth-watering winter comfort foods from around the globe. Get ready to grab your forks because we're about to dive into steaming bowls of noodles, bubbling pots of cheese, and plates piled high with deliciousness. So, are you ready to get cozy and explore the world, one bite at a time? Let's get cooking. Traveling. First stop, Switzerland. We're here for the fondue, a dish that's all about bringing people together. Imagine this, a pot of melted cheese, perfectly warmed and bubbling, just waiting for you to dip in crusty bread or potatoes. Swiss fondue is traditionally made with Gruyere and Emmental cheeses, a splash of white wine, and a hint of garlic. It's the definition of creamy, dreamy comfort food. Legend has it that fondue was invented by Swiss shepherds to use up hardened cheese and stale bread during the long winter months. So next time you're craving a taste of the Swiss Alps, whip up a pot of fondue and invite some friends over. Next up, we're heading to Canada, a land of friendly faces and seriously good food. When it comes to winter comfort food, it doesn't get much more iconic than poutine. Imagine crispy French fries, smothered in rich brown gravy, and topped with squeaky cheese curds. Originating in rural Quebec in the 1950s, poutine has become a beloved national dish, enjoyed everywhere from hockey games to fancy restaurants. It's the perfect combination of salty, savory, and satisfying. So, next time you're feeling a little chilly, take a cue from our Canadian friends and indulge in a plate of steaming hot poutine. Your taste buds will thank you. Let's hop over to Japan, a country known for its rich culinary traditions and incredible attention to detail. When it comes to warming up on a cold day, nothing beats a steaming bowl of ramen. Ramen is more than just a bowl of noodles. It's a culinary experience. It starts with a flavorful broth, often simmered for hours with meat, bones, or seaweed. Then come the noodles, cooked to perfection. And finally, an array of toppings like sliced pork, marinated eggs, nori seaweed, and fresh scallions. From cozy ramen shops to Michelin-starred restaurants, you'll find countless variations of this beloved dish all across Japan. So, whether you're a ramen enthusiast or just discovering this Japanese favorite, be sure to slurp up a bowl or two on your next culinary adventure. Now we're off to Poland, a country with a rich history and a passion for hearty, comforting cuisine. When it comes to winter warmers, pierogi are the ultimate crowd pleaser. These little pockets of dough are like edible hugs. They can be filled with savory ingredients like mashed potatoes and cheese, sauerkraut and mushrooms, or minced meat. And if you've got a sweet tooth, you can find pierogi filled with fruit, sweetened cheese, or even poppy seed paste. Pierogi are often served with a dollop of sour cream, melted butter, or crispy fried onions. They're the ultimate comfort food, perfect for sharing with family and friends on a chilly evening. In Poland, pierogi are more than just a dish. They're a symbol of tradition and hospitality. So, next time you're looking for a taste of Polish culture, be sure to give these little dumplings a try. Our final stop takes us to Hungary, a country known for its vibrant culture and flavorful cuisine. When the temperature drops, there's nothing more satisfying than a hearty bowl of goulash. Goulash is a rich and flavorful stew, slow-cooked to perfection with tender beef, smoky paprika, onions, and often potatoes or carrots. In Hungary, goulash is often cooked in a cauldron over an open fire, which gives it an incredible depth of flavor. It's typically served piping hot in a bread bowl, or with a side of crusty bread for dipping. So, if you're looking for a taste of authentic Hungarian comfort food, be sure to add goulash to your culinary bucket list. So there you have it, a delicious journey through some of the most comforting winter foods from around the world. From Switzerland's cheesy fondue to Canada's indulgent poutine, Japan's soul-soothing ramen, Poland's delightful pierogi, and Hungary's hearty goulash, there's a world of flavor out there waiting to be explored. Which of these dishes has your mouth watering? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Happy travels and happy eating!